Fire and smoke can cause very costly damage to a home. According to Travelers, fire accounts for nearly 25% of property claim costs each year. Smoke and carbon monoxide alarms are critical. With wireless functionality built in, you can now get one that alerts you wherever you may be. Experts recommend, and some laws require, putting detectors on each level of your home, plus inside or near bedrooms. This model doesn't connect to your home's wiring. Just pop in the battery pack and attach it to the ceiling mount. Now, download the app and make sure it discovers your detector. You can choose the kind of alert you want to receive based on the alarm, and whether you want voice or text details about the location of the issue and what to do about it. Now, you won't have to climb up and push buttons to test the alarm every month. And if the alarm goes off while you're cooking or baking, you can use the app to silence it and end the alert. Even better, the app will tell you when it's time to change the batteries to help you avoid any interruption in your protection. To learn more about smart home devices, visit travelers.com/homecentral.